Hey guys, just check out the newest addition to my family, a Royal Enfield Bullet. Now this is not a regular one. This is a Royal Enfield diesel bullet. See, I've always wanted a diesel bullet. The thing about the diesel bullet is that it has a deeper thump than a regular one, the petrol bullet, and that's what attracted me. So this is a 1983 diesel bullet. So Royal Enfield did used to make diesel bullets and they were called the Taurus models. They did that because local South Indian mechanics fitted usual petrol bullets with water pump diesel engines, and they sort of became famous in villages and so. And Royal Enfield wanted to tap into this market, and that's why they themselves started fitting diesel engines to their petrol bullets. Now this is not an original Royal Enfield Taurus model. This was a locally modified diesel engine fitted Royal Enfield. Now this 346cc diesel engine from Greaves is made into a 4-speed stock gearbox made by Albion. So in this gearbox, the unique thing is that the shift lever is on the right side. The shift pattern is 1 up and 3 down. There is also an additional lever called the neutral finder, and when you hit this, it directly goes to neutral from whatever gear you're in. Now the starting procedure for this engine is a little different from the petrol engine, where you have to align the amp meter and then kick start. I don't know the exact procedure for that, but in this engine I'll explain in 3 simple steps. You just have to open this decompression lever here, that is to release the compression in the engine, and then you have to kick this kicker once without any much force, and then on the next kick you kick it hard and it should start. Cold starting this engine is a very hard process. I have tried to start this engine in the mornings, and it will take me around 10 minutes to get it running. And to switch off the engine, you cannot just use the kill switch. Since this engine, diesel engine, doesn't have a spark plug, you cannot just cut off the electricity and hope the engine stops. What you have to do in diesel engines is that you have to cut off the fuel. This choke lever here was modified to cut off the fuel. So you just pull this and that's how you stop the engine. The brakes on this side, and the magneto coil here doesn't produce the electricity. It is directly coupled with the engine on the other side. This is the air filter. This has oil here up to this level, and the air goes through the oil and that cleanses the air. Now the wheels were fitted with aftermarket alloys, and I'm not really a big fan of these wheels. I'm planning to go with spoke wheels, and the brakes are both drum and they don't really do a good job in stopping the vehicle. And the mileage of this thing is around 60 km per liter. I know people claim it on the internet to be about 90 km per liter, but on the real world conditions it is around 60 km per liter at least. I haven't checked it yet. I will check and post a solid number. Now I am planning to restore this motorcycle sometime soon, but for now it runs okay. I'm not really gonna do road trips on this thing, so I'll see you guys around. Take care. Bye bye.